Catherine of Aragon, born in 1485, married Henry VIII in 1509 after the death of his brother, Arthur. Despite several pregnancies, only one child, Mary I, survived. In 1533, their marriage was annulled as Henry sought a male heir, leading to England's break from the Catholic Church. Catherine died in isolation in 1536. Anne Boleyn, born around 1501, captivated King Henry VIII, but refused to be his mistress, leading him to annul his first marriage and break from the Catholic Church. She married Henry in 1533 and gave birth to Elizabeth I, but failed to produce a male heir. Accused of adultery and treason, Anne was executed in 1536, leaving a lasting legacy as a key figure of the English Reformation. Jane Seymour, born around 1508, served as a lady-in-waiting to Catherine of Aragon and Anne Boleyn before marrying King Henry VIII in 1536, just days after Anne's execution. Beloved for her peaceful demeanour, Jane gave birth to Henry's only male heir, Edward VI, in 1537, but died shortly after. She was the only wife buried alongside Henry, highlighting her special place in his life. Anne of Cleves, a German princess born in 1515, married Henry VIII in January 1540 after being recommended by his minister, Thomas Cromwell. Their marriage ended just 6 months later, as Henry found her unattractive and cited a pre-existing betrothal as grounds for annulment. Anne accepted graciously, receiving a generous settlement, and lived peacefully as a friend to the royal family until her death in 1557. Catherine Howard, born around 1523, became Henry VIII's fifth wife in 1540 when she was just a teenager. She caught the king's eye while serving in the household of Anne of Cleves. Accused of adultery in 1541, Catherine was stripped of her title and executed for treason in February 1542, marking another tragic chapter in Henry's tumultuous marital history. Catherine Parr married Henry VIII in 1543 and played a vital role in reconciling the king with his daughters, Mary and Elizabeth, securing their place in the line of succession. She served as regent during Henry's war in France and is remembered for her contributions to a more united royal household. After Henry's death, Catherine married Thomas Seymour and had one child, but tragically passed away shortly after childbirth in 1548 at the age of 35 or 36.